Welcome to our Home Garden Guide channel. Here is Rosa speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. It is Bridge kitchen faucet with pull-down spray head and spot. Let's start to introduce product-related information, pictures, and more information in detail. Also welcome to go on our website 𝐤𝐢𝐭𝐜𝐞𝐧. This kitchen faucet corrosion-resistant finish will not fade or tarnish over time. Steel that resists water spots and fingerprints, solid brass construction and top-of-the-line components ensure long-lasting leak-free performance. Bridge faucet design. Horizontal bar connects hot and cold water handles to the faucet spout for a bold, classically inspired look. Pull-down 𝐤𝐻𝐻𝐸D provides flexibility for up-close tasks and extended reach all around the sink. Eliminates the need for a separate side sprayer. 3-function faucet, aerated stream and spray for everyday tasks. Powerful blade function for heavy-duty rinsing. Gooseneck spout offers ample clearance for filling tall pitchers. Swivels 360 degrees for a broad range of motion. Specifications. Finish, brushed nickel. Material, solid brass. Spout type, swivel. Faucet holes, 3. Number of handles, 2. Overall height, 17.32 inches. Spout height, 9.05 inches. Spout reach, 8.66 inches. Flow rate, 1.8 GPM. Net weight, 6.83 pounds. Gross weight, 7.72 pounds. Package dimensions 24.40 x 16.73 x 2.75 inches. About Home Garden Guide. Shop from a great collection of patio furniture and home decorations at http://www.𝐤𝐢𝐭𝐜𝐡𝐞𝐧. Our store offers quality kitchen sinks, kitchen faucet, refrigerators, ice makers, dish drying racks, wine cellars, dishwashers, spice racks, food sanitizer, wine rack, and more. 𝐤𝐤𝐭𝐜 is a professional store for furnitures and home improving and decoration products. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions and details which can help customers select their goods easily. For bulk orders, 𝐤𝐤𝐭𝐜 can customize according to your needs and offer special prices according to the amount. If you buy 5+ random items per order, you will get more discounts. For OEM and ODM wholesale orders, please contact the manufacturer via 𝐿𝐴𝐻𝐿12@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.